Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your own Shopify store in just a couple of minutes. So guys, it's super easy, it's super convenient, it requires no initial investment, so please listen to me carefully. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and let's get started. All I ask from you guys to listen to me carefully, as I said, and follow every single possible step, because as I said, this video is mostly made for the beginners, so let's see what we can actually do here. First thing first that we need, of course, is our Shopify account right here. You can check it out, guys, and start your own 7 days free trial. We've already done a video about why 7 days free trial is better for you than just to purchase straight away your plan, guys. First, as I said, you need to see that Shopify will work for you, that this platform is okay for you, guys. So as I said, start your free trial. It's enough for you to create your own marketplace, guys, to create your own store on Shopify, so we can get started. First thing first that we need to do, guys, right here you can check it out, is your online store. When you press on it, first thing that will pop up, guys, is of course themes, and you can check it out, guys, out here. Your online store is password protected and so on and so on. You can check it out, manage a password, but you can see this is a current theme, guys. This is the default theme, Dawn. You can of course get yourself some new themes, some free ones, guys, with the theme store right here. You can get, as I said, free ones or paid ones, where you can see right here, guys, some paid ones are pretty expensive, so I recommend you to stick with the free ones if you are just beginning with Shopify. So what we need to do here, as I said, first thing first, customize right here, guys. We need to press on customize, and after that you can check it out. There's plenty of options for you, plenty of stuff. So what we need to do first, of course, our headline right here, what you want to write here. So you just need to press right here, guys, and then start typing right here, basically in this box on the left side, guys. So let's check it out. It depends on your niche, on your store, what you're selling. So let's just, for example, go with like something like this. We do not need a comma. After that, you can get a size, something like this. Oh my god, here first, quality first, for example. You can check it out, guys, right here, save it, and it will be right here. So as I said, this is your image banner. If you want to switch your banner, guys, I already done a video about that, what's the best and most convenient way for you and the free way for you to make your own banner. So I will just select an image right here, add this image that I already make, guys, right here, and that's basically it. You can press on this, guys, and press on done. So Wave of Wealth, quality first. You can see this is our banner for now, guys, and what we need to do else. And the next tab that you need to focus on is logo. So we need to select our image, guys, add an image from our computer. Wave of Wealth, of course, our logo is here, and after that we need just to press on the I. Done. And you can see, guys, that we are here. Here's our logo, home, catalog, contact, guys, and everything. You can check it out. After that, guys, after that's done, you can just go. That's up to you, of course, totally. Colors section is right here. You can check it out, guys, out here. For example, you can see scheme 1, 2, 3, guys. You can add your scheme, guys, for yourself, and you can check it out. Here's the color schemes can be applied to sections through your online store. For example, you can press and see no background and stuff like that. Everything is completely up to you. So after that, we need to press and save right here, and our store will be saved. So what we need to do is to go back on exit, guys, and then what you need to do else, of course, you can see everything is updated right here. You need to go right here and add some products. So what are you selling? If you're drop shipping, guys, or something like that, you need to add your links from your drop shipping from Alibaba, from AliExpress, or so on, guys. It's super easy. You will have a tutorial video for that on our channel. But if you're adding a product right here, you can add a product. Title is here, short sleeve t-shirts, for example, classic hoodie. Let's just go with that. Like this, right? And what's also cool right here, guys, you need a description. You can, of course, go to ChatGPT, or you can just go right here, generate text. So for example, let's just see, generate. My god, it's super easy. Craft from sustainable organic cotton, and so on, generate again section, but you can just keep this one and see here it is. So upload new media. You need a video or image or something like that. We need our hoodie that we're selling, guys, right here. Category hoodies here. You can check it out. So we just need for image to be processed, and down below we can check it out, guys, for a price right here. So price right here is in RSD. That doesn't matter for you guys. For you, it will be in your own national currency or in dollars or something something like that, chart talks in these products and everything. For example, we will stick with 2000. Why not? Cost per item, price right here, compare at price right here. To display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price, often shown with strike through. So for example, 2.5 thousand, and cost per item, guys, right here. You can check it out right here. Cost per item is customer won't see this. So this is your cost per item, and you can check it out. For example, if my hoodie, my expenses for making that hoodie, guys, are 1500. Right here, I'm selling for 2000. You can see we have 500, guys, 500 currency units in this case in profit. Inventory, track quantity, guys, shop locations right here. You can check it out. Also, once everything is filled out, guys, you can also type in weight, guys, right here. You can in kg, you can switch in pounds and everything, grams and so on. So you can do it. As more information you provide, guys, it will be much more easier for your customers to find your product. Search engine listing right here, classic hoodie. You can see how it looks like, guys, right here. It's really unique, it's really amazing, it's really transparent, so really stunning. After you're done with everything, press on save, guys, in bottom right corner, and you can check it out that it's super easy and super convenient. Product created already. And once you saved your product, guys, you can just go again, product section right here. Here's your classic hoodie, guys, and you can just preview it on your online store and see how it looks like. Take a look at this. Welcome to our store, guys. Everything my store classic hoodies here. You can see, of course, tax included. You can see it's on sale right now, quantity at the chart, buy it now, and everything. It's super easy. So let's go again to our online store and see how it actually looks like. You can again preview it, guys, and see that you actually made something that is extremely easy to use, guys. Right now, this is just the beginning. As I said, it's super easy for you guys to start with free trial and start with your store. Online store right here, again, as I said, customize. That's right, guys. And right here we can see there's plenty of options for you regarding the outlook, guys, regarding the user interface and everything. Announcement bar, header, you can press on header, guys, right here, and there's plenty of options. Desktop logo position, you can go to top left, top center right here. You can see automatically updated on middle left or middle center, for example, like this. So what do you think about top center, guys, out here? Okay, right here, menu, you can see the menu, change right here, change menu or remove menu, guys. You can see the desktop menu type. You can also play with that. Drop down is right here. You can see mega menu right here, guys, or you can just have a drawer, which is this option right here, and maybe the more convenient one. So right here we'll leave that part out here. Show separator line or don't show separator line, guys. Sticky header is here on scroll up, none, always reduce logo size, for example, like this one right here, but let's just keep it up with none. Color scheme, guys, right here, we can check it out. We can change it. As I mentioned before, guys, you can do it for yourself. You can switch it to this one right here, whatever suits you, whatever you think is the most beautiful for you. Menu color scheme, guys, right here, you get the point. You can do it at the same, guys. You can switch it right here. So again, theme settings are here, guys, so you can select that for yourself. Country, region selector, enable country and region selector. Language selector, guys, is here again ticked. You can untick that, guys, right here. Don't worry, that's just for the language. Show avatar, guys, mobile layout right here and everything. Again, as I said, you can play with it, guys, and it's up to your creativity and up to you. How will you play with that? It's up to your imagination and yourself, your persistency, and how your website, you want your website to look like. So announcement bar, again, same thing right here. As I said, welcome to our store. Scheme, change one right here to this one. You can see it's a bit more gray, guys. I like it even more. Social media icons right here, show icons on desktop right here. You can check it out or not show it on desktop. Change every 5 seconds. Announcements, auto rotate announcements and everything. Again, it's up to you. And let's see what changes have we made right now. So we can go back, guys, of course, save first right here and then exit, and then we can go to our store, guys, and preview it and see what we have done. Go back to our store, online store again, and see changes are applied. This looks a bit more professional, I have to be honest, guys. And yeah, it's definitely super easy. This is just the first video out of many, guys, from Shopify, so please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.